Jamaican Mango and Lime just dropped something new. I've been so excited to show you guys this launch. Let me show you how to refresh your Miracle Knot styles with their new Edge Force foam. I got to try 3 of the new formulas. Today I'll be using the Dragon Fruit plus Vitamin B5 in my favorite color, pink, of course. These foams not only work for your hair, but also your skin with ingredients like botana oil, collagen, grapeseed oil. You're also protecting your hairline. This is very important, especially because I use a lot of edge control products and I don't want my hair and scalp to be dry after using them. I also want something that's lightweight and it's literally foam, so it's checking that box. The formula is hydrating and infused with skin-loving ingredients, so you're never going to look dry or flaky either. I find the product works best when you let it sit on your edges for 1 minute and you can literally see how fast that hold starts to work. Edge Force foam is officially part of my refresh routine. I even put some on the base roots of my locks to reduce frizz and smooth flyaways. I put on my scarf to let the dragon fruit oil and B5 soak into my hair, and my edges look so healthy and shiny. Who would have known a foam would do all of this in one? My edges deserve more than just a hold. Edge Force foam keeps them polished and hydrated. That strong hold with no flakes is guaranteed, period. If you're ready to upgrade your edge routine, check the caption for all the details.